The next company we introduce you to is all about protecting those who protect us every day.
Being a part of law enforcement is no joke. It's a job that calls for immediate action, pristine intelligence, and state-of-the-art equipment. With this in mind, we traveled to Virginia Beach, Virginia to get a behind-the-scenes look at the world's greatest manufacturers of law enforcement weapons. KRISS. Firearm systems and technologies are among the most scrutinized and relied upon things in the law enforcement community. The men and women who put their lives on the line for the public every day deserve the very best we can provide for them. And it's become more and more clear in recent years that the very best is KRISS.
What really sets the KRISS apart and makes it the best is based on its operating system. In our operating system, the bolt, instead of slamming back into the shooter's shoulder, gets redirected downward, so it minimizes the felt recoil in the muzzle climb on the firearm. So it makes the platform very controllable, especially in fully automatic fire. So because of that, it becomes very controllable and you can deliver very precise shots when you need them.
After having the opportunity to fire the KRISS Vector SVG, the size of the weapon is superior. The weight of the weapon is very optimal. It doesn't tug on your neck, and it's easy to handle and operate. And the rate of fire at which you can fire is unbelievable between the single 2-round burst and the full automatic. It's superior.
With regard to what goes into the creation of a KRISS firearm, the most profound piece and the impact, of course, is the ingenious design work and R&D work that comes out of Switzerland with the design engineers there. And instead of the momentum and all the inertia, and hence the recoil coming back linearly towards the shoulder and against the body, it gets directed down and away from the body, reducing 60% of the felt recoil and 95% of the muzzle rise in the gun.
But it's not just law enforcement that relies on KRISS USA products. They can also be found in civilian and commercial use.
The use of firearms among civilians is really gaining in popularity, especially over the last several years. It was even a big seller this last holiday season. And with the KRISS platform, it's no different. We've really seen a lot of adoption among our civilian users. And I think what they're attracted to is the fact that it delivers less recoil and less muzzle climb. It gives them an ability to really deliver precise shots and keep their rounds on target. So whether they're a hardcore operator or just your weekend plinker, you know, the KRISS platform really has something for everyone. You certainly can't deny the cool factor that comes with the gun as well. I mean, it looks almost like it came straight out of Star Wars, and I think that's really appealing to the civilians as well.
Talk to anyone who knows weapons and they'll tell you KRISS is the name they know and trust. And they prove every day why they're considered the world's greatest.